What's going on, YouTube fam? I'm bringing you another OG, baby. The Air Max 1 PRM Powerwall. Did you guys remember the Powerwall? Did they make these any better? Did they make them worse? Let's get into it immediately. Don't be looking at my t-shirt. I know you're looking at my t-shirt because some of you know exactly what I'm wearing. We ain't got time to waste. We gotta get to the OG. Let's do it! What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. And yes, before we even keep going with this thing right here, before we even get to this right here, this thing, it's whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna correct you on the t-shirt right now. Yes, I am. Because I know exactly that you guys are saying, boy, is he wearing what he's wearing? Guys, it's a very strange shoe. And it's OG. So we got to take it back to the old days. Even though this is not old whatsoever. But it looks like I came out of a garbage can. Guys, yes, I'm wearing the infamous Yeezy 1 shirt. Yes, look at this. Look at this swagger, bro. Look at this swagger. Bro, how are you going to complain about that, bro? How are you going to complain? This is unmatching, bro. It looks like they just dragged you all over the street, threw you inside of a garbage can. You have 5 guys beating you up, and then you came out like it's all good and gravy, bro. You guys are a bunch of haters, bro. You know what? I ain't got time to waste anymore. Let's get into these bad boys right there. Yes, Powerwall time, baby. And you already know how I start this off, guys. The material. Not that bad, guys. For the price, $20, not bad at all. And the toe box. The toe box, guys. You see that mesh? You see that mesh right there? Extra protection. That's the way I could put it, guys. I know that sounded a little weird, but that's the way I could put it. This is high quality mesh, guys. Very high quality. It's more like a knitting, like a very nice knitting. I don't know. It feels a little granny. Yes, it does. I'm not gonna lie to you. And the toe box is surrounded with that beautiful high quality suede. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, that goes all the way to the back of the sneaker in that mustard color. Very nice. By the way, that mesh in the toe box does reflect a little bit. Very nice. No, it's not 3M, it's not reflective. It just shines within. Going to the upper of the shoe, the whole gray that you guys are seeing right there is in suede. Very nice, soft suede. Not gonna bullshit. And the tongue is in that same mesh, but it's a little of a tighter, you know. But let's put it like this. It's more of the same color, but it's more of a tighter knit. Yes. Don't be thinking nothing weird, guys. Keep going with the shoes. The laces are a very weird color that I honestly do not know how to explain this color. I don't know if it's olive. I don't know if it's gray. I don't know if it's, I don't know, man. Just, you guys seeing it right there. It's beautiful. Like I said, guys, very unique shoe. Going all the way to the top, you see the classic Nike tab in white. Nike with the orange swoosh. Going into the insole of the shoe, it is all green, including all the lining also. You see the little size right there on the inside of the ankle collar. Very beautiful. And it's all green with the logo in white. Very clean, guys. Going to the side of the shoe, like I said, that mustard color suede going all the way to the back. The gray suede, very nice all around the swoosh. The swoosh is in patent leather, guys. And it's like a pinkish infrared color, something like the Jordan infrared color, the one that they made that they messed it all up. You guys know which one I'm talking about, right? It wasn't red at all. It looked more like a hot lava pink. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That's exactly what the color of that swoosh is, but it's in patent leather. Very nice, guys. Going all the way to the back of the shoe, the whole ankle collar, as you guys can see right there, in the same mesh as the tongue. Very shiny and metallic. It's beautiful, guys. And the Nike embroidery in the back is in the same metallic green color, and it's surrounded with that mustard color suede. going to the midsole of the shoe. Yes, guys, all across the whole midsole, sail, what I like to call cream, get the money. And it has the OG bubble, and in the inside of the OG bubble, it has green. You notice I had to keep saying OG bubble because this is what I like the most about the whole shoe. I ain't gonna lie to you, I love wild color shoes, but that bubble, man, that's nice, bro. I like it. I like that OG look. They took a little way too long to be taking out the OG, bro. Come on, man. And going to the sole of the shoe, guys, nothing special whatsoever compared to the whole rest of the sneaker. It's just jet black all the way through with that prototypical Air Max 1 pattern. Well, you guys saw the shoe already. I'm trying to detail it as best as possible. Let's get into the details. Let's get into the sizing, and let's get into the on foot. To start off with the detailing, the main details that it has is obviously the swoosh, the metallic mesh. Very beautiful, guys. The tongue, very nice, you know, just to do a little recap. But it does come with extra laces just in case you want to make the shoes even more radical. In my case, I'm going to keep it a little bit more simple, and I'm going to keep that weird color laces that I have no idea what the name is. And when it comes to the fitment of these Air Maxes, guys, I could go on Air Max. It's crazy. I'm always going to say it. On the Air Max 1, I could do 9.5 all the way to 10.5. Don't ask me why. It just happens. And they fit identically the same on me. I know. It's weird. Like I've always said, guys, each person's foot is different. And I got these on a 9.5, and they fit perfect, guys. Perfect. Very stylish shoe. Very radical. Very wild. You know, that's when I'm in that whole radical color look. That's just who I am, guys. I love the radical colors. Sometimes I'm a little subtle, not gonna lie. But I love the radical colors because it's the same as my energy. I'm very energetic. I like to bring energy, good vibes. That's who I am, guys. So I like colorful, bright things. So, guys, did they make this OG any better or not? What? Yes, they did make it better. They made it beautiful. You know why they made it better? For the simple fact that they re-brought it back. That's it, guys. I don't know if you want to call it a retro or not, whatever. They brought it back, and they brought it with almost the same specifications. So beautiful all the way through. I love this sneaker. I love the way it looks, and it is a hidden gem for the simple fact that it was slept on 100%. Guys, Air Max 1s for the hype beast are long gone. Maybe a Supreme collab or something like that. It's what hits, but people forget about the OGs, and it is what it is, especially this iconic colorway. So guys, yes, I recommend them 100%. They're beautiful all the way through. Here's the pricing right there. Yes, guys, you can get them for an amazing price. Don't pass on it. If you guys want uniqueness, you guys don't want to look like the rest of everybody else that they just go for the same thing. This is what you got to go for, guys. And Uncle Primo is going to bring you the reality check of these are the shoes that true sneaker enthusiasts buy. Remember that, guys. Stay away from the hype. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. I'm going to hit the road now with my yay. Yeah, baby, with my Yeezy right here. Don't worry about it. Like I said, guys, it looked like I got dragged all over the street. Peace! Echo